Okay, so I'm an early childhood education major, which is birth to third grade. So I have decided to go with the kindergarten class for this tutorial, but this is not just for the students, it is also for the parents because at that age they still need quite a bit of parental supervision. Um, and this is kind of a way that they can continue their homework at home, especially if it's online schooling because of COVID, in a fun and educational way. So what you're going to do is you're going to typing educational games, and it's going to be education.com for free typing games. And then you're going to go over here and you're going to hit sign up, and then you will click whether or not, and you'll put your email address in and password. So parents, this is going to be for you unless the student has a school email that they're using, probably not as a kindergartner though. It is free to sign up, so there's no cost, but I already have an account, so we're going to go ahead and log in. And so I can show you around. So what you can do is we can come on over here, and over here you can go by grade. So you can do any grade, preschool through sixth grade, but we're going to go to kindergarten. And then this will just filter out all the harder games. Okay, so if they didn't disappear, then they are games that kindergartners will be able to handle. So we're just going to go with this one, and we're going to go ahead and hit play. And so we'll do a demonstration really quick, just so they know what will happen.
Begin.
Okay, so we're going to hit F, and then we're going to go through all the letters, and that way they can practice their typing. And this focuses strictly just on the middle row of keys. And I think that the animations on this really make it interesting for the kids. That way they find it fun. And if they miss one, it's not a huge deal. Say I hit the K instead of the J, that's okay. D and K. And we'll do one more round. And let's just say we hit S instead of L. And that's okay. Then it shows you your results. And that way they can practice at home still. And it's a great, free, fun way. So if you have any questions, just let me know.